Hey people, Mark here. You're watching Conf42 Golang 2024. Say hello to the Gophers from outer space. Before we jump in, please make sure to RSVP for free through our website. This will unlock all the content and give you instant access to our Discord and Slack. Without further ado, let's begin. Conf42 Golang 2024 was made possible by StarterAI.dev, our newsletter partner, and our Gopher-amazing media partners. In the first session today, Julian Brooks, Kubernetes and serverless specialist at Google Cloud, will demonstrate how to test your code with test containers in Golang.
Hi everyone! Didn't anyone ever tell you that to test is to adapt? Just kidding. During this session, learn how to quickly use test containers and microcs, fantastic and surprising projects that will allow you to test your applications in real conditions. It's time to take the testing of your Go applications to the next level. I hope you all enjoy the conference.
Mehmet Abdelrahman, senior software engineer at Kotal, jumps in to tell us more about Go for Kubernetes.
Hello, and welcome to my talk where Go meets Kubernetes. Hopefully, by the end of this talk, you will be able to orchestrate your Kubernetes objects with the same ease as writing a Go function. Together, we'll see how to wield the power of Kubernetes API from your Go applications. I hope you enjoy it.
Thorsten Hans, senior cloud advocate at Fermyon, is here to show you how to go serverless with WebAssembly.
Hi everyone, I'm really looking forward for Conf42 Golang, and I hope all of you will join my session Going Serverless with WebAssembly. So we'll dive into WebAssembly, we will take a look at the open source project Spin, we'll do some hands-on, and we will run apps in different contexts like Fermyon Cloud and even next beside your containerized workloads in Kubernetes. See you at Conf42 Golang.
Raghav Roy, R&D software engineer at VMware, joins us to discuss coroutines and Go.
We're going to look at the history of coroutines, why they are important, where they came from, what full coroutines are, how to implement coroutines in Go using existing definitions and semantics. Finally, interestingly, some runtime changes that can be made to Go to support them natively and have them run very efficiently. See you there. Thanks for joining in.
Chinman Naik, the founder of One2N, will now showcase Go concurrency powering a gigabyte-scale real-world data pipeline.
If you're interested in learning how Go concurrency can be used to build a gigabyte-scale data pipeline, please join me in my talk. In this talk, I'll cover how we migrated from MongoDB to Postgres using Go's concurrency features and built large-scale data pipelines. See you there.
Rangarajan Lakshmi Narayanachar, Senior Manager Software Engineering at Capital One, is here to show you how to graph your game with Go. Strategic playbooks unveiled.
Good evening, fellow golfers, and welcome to this lightning talk on Graph Your Game with Go. The intent of this lightning talk is to merge the world, rather exciting world of graph databases, Golang, and how they can interplay in sports analytics, how they can derive insights. To make this talk interesting, there are popular movie references, quotes, there are a few favorite Go code snippets, as well as some analytics. Tune in, watch, learn more, get inspired. Thank you.
Anais Dotis Georgiou, developer advocate at Influx Data, joins us to leverage the Apache Flight Go client and InfluxDB.
In today's talk, we'll be learning about how we can use the InfluxDB Go client library. We'll be learning about how we can query InfluxDB and write data to InfluxDB. We'll also learn about time series databases like InfluxDB and how InfluxDB leverages the Apache ecosystem. Thanks!
Alexandre Evangelista de Souza, the CEO and founder of IndevDev, will now present LangChain with Golang.
I have been working with web developer for 20 years. I have been working with PHP, Golang, Node.js, and Python. I love to work with new technologies. I am a fan of LangChain Go. Let's talk about it in Conf42. I see you there.
Aryan Mehrotra, software developer at Gopher.dev, is here to revolutionize Go microservices. Build efficient, scalable, and observable applications.
Hello everyone, I am Aryan and I am really excited to talk about Go. Gopher is designed to significantly reduce your backend development time and provide built-in observability for immediate performance insights. To learn how Gopher can enhance your development, please join my upcoming talk.
Dmitry Korolev, senior software engineer at Avito, joins in to share insights on common mistakes in Golang and how to avoid them.
Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Korolev, and today I will tell you about popular mistakes in Golang, show you the reasons why they occur, and help you to understand how to avoid them.
Andrew Williams, the CEO of Fine Labs, will now share how Go taught him to love building apps again.
Hi everyone, I'm absolutely stoked to be talking at Conf42 this year, and I'm going to be presenting about how Go taught me to love building applications again. I'm going to show how you can get started building apps and deliver something super fast using the Go language and the Fine toolkit. Hopefully you'll join me there, learn something, and be inspired to build your first graphical apps with Go.
Alessio Greggi is here to tell his team's story, in which they almost secured a project by writing more tests.
In this session, I'm going to talk about security by testing, and I will introduce you my personal project that aims to extract syscalls from user-defined functions in order to create the SecComp profiles. So I will tell you about the things that I learned, the issues that I had during the development. So if you're interested in hearing more about this topic, please consider joining my talk.
Kirill Parasochenko, senior software engineer at Delivery Hero, jumps in to give some hints on system design. Simple but common mistakes.
Hi, I will be talking about simple but common mistakes in system design. We will cover the most frequent mistakes I have faced during my career. The talk will be light and simple, so if you are interested in system design and some simple but frequent mistakes, please join my talk on that topic.
Marco Marino, software engineer core automations at Ion, will now talk Go performance, memory model, profiling, and optimization for your Go apps.
Hello Gophers, to miss out the chance to learn more about the memory model and the Go runtime scheduler, and also to miss out the chance to speed up your applications using benchmarking and profiling tools to discover bottlenecks in your Go applications.
Yashvardhan Kukreya, SRE at Red Hat, is here to help you boost your code with profile-guided optimization, from slow to Go.
Across this talk, not only theoretically, but even in an absolutely hands-on manner, we're going to explore how profile-guided optimization can supercharge your compiler to produce absolutely smart and optimized binaries of your code. Hope you're going to enjoy this talk and learn how to optimize your code without needing to optimize it with your hands.
Ivan Lemeshev, senior software engineer international team at Unity, will now tell you how to make your service more resilient in case of traffic spikes.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to present my talk on how to keep your service running smoothly even when you get slammed with traffic. We'll be diving into how to handle server overload by using rate limiting and load shedding. I'm looking forward to share this with you all, and I hope you're having a great conference.
Munawar Havis, the CEO of OpenRefactory, will help us bridge the security tool gap for Go.
My talk explores the static analysis tool landscape for Go language, specifically what kinds of bugs they find, what kinds of bugs they miss, and how OpenRefactory's Intelligent Code Repair, or ICR, is bridging the security tool gap that is left by the other tools.
Pravesh Thapa, senior SRE at Capsule, is here to help you optimize performance and security, crafting robust APIs with Go.
Hey everyone, are you interested in knowing how you can build a fast, secure, and robust API in Go? So if you are, then please join me on my talk on how to build performant and secure API using Go. I'll be discussing different ways and actionable items which you can implement in your API development to make your API performant, fast, and secure. So hope to see you there.
Sandeep Bhatt, staff software engineer at Harness, will elaborate on how to develop a custom load balancer using Envoy.
Please join me for my talk on developing a custom load balancer using Go and Envoy. I'm excited to show you how easily you can create a custom load balancer that is both scalable while saving on load balancing costs and at the same time being cloudable. As we discuss more on this, we will also delve into topics like load balancing concepts. See you soon at the conference.
Eugen Kabarov, lead developer at DevX at Arctic Wolf, will introduce you to Bazel, when Go build is not enough.
Hello everybody! How many times did you find yourself in a situation where you have to run go generate or make generate command before you can run go build? If this occurs all the time, my talk when go build is not enough, Introduction to Bazel is for you. In this presentation, I will discuss build process orchestration and how Bazel can help to make one fast and correct.
In the last but not least session today, we are pleased to have Hasib Majid, backend software engineer at Curve. He will help us create reproducible Golang development environments using Nix.
Hello everyone, I'm going to be talking about how you can create reproducible and ephemeral development environments in Nix for our Golang projects. So we're going to take a look at what Nix is, how we can use it with Golang, how it solves some of the problems of onboarding new developers really fast, and how we can use it to not worry about going back to a project like 6 months later and you're like, oh, things are going to be broken, I'm going to have to spend 2 or 3 hours fixing things. I'm so excited I'm even wearing this Super Saiyan Gopher shirt I have. I look forward to seeing you there.
Well, that's it for Conf42 Golang 2024. As per usual, FreeRSVP grants you access to all sessions on VOD, as well as our Discord and Slack channels. All talks will start streaming immediately after this video ends. Please visit our website to look up the schedule. If you value our efforts, please consider a monthly subscription. This helps us grow and grant you some nice perks in return. That was Mark, and I hope you'll have some quality learning time at Conf42 Golang 2024. Enjoy!